I get a house, get motor.
I've achieved many things. 3 cars. I built my house all.
You probably have heard about pounded yam. It is the most popular and commonly eaten food in Nigeria that is made from pounding boiled yam with mortar and pestle. Nigeria is by far the world's largest producer of yam, accounting for over 70 to 76% of the world production. While yam is cultivated all over Nigeria, majority of it is cultivated and sold in Benue State. The Zaki market is acclaimed to be the largest yam market in West Africa. People come from various parts of Nigeria and other countries to buy yam in this place. This business also seems to be very lucrative as authenticated by many people who are doing the business.
This market is all about selling yams. We welcome our customers who come here and patronize our products. These yams belongs to the farmers. Those are our brothers and sisters that farm right in the villages. When they want to sell, they bring this yam all about from there to parade them here. Because here it's a center that people come from west, east and north of this Nigeria to buy.
The price of yam here is not fixed. It's based on how the buyer comes to where the seller is and how he bargains with the seller.
Some of the TV use 911 to bring this yam to Edo State. That is why we make them, we ask them, where are you people planted this yam? After selling it, we help them. That is our mother. Me, myself, I started this Benue State 1990. So we now trace them that they have yam more than us. So we now introduce many people, many businesswomen, businessmen, others. It's not only Edo State, even Igbo, Onitsha, Aba, Owerri, Port Harcourt, all the states, all of us, we are buying yam in Benue State. Why? Because it's not enough for us in other states.
People come from nooks and crannies of this country, or even more. Cameroonians are here. In Nigeria, you have Sapele, you have the Benin people, you have Igbos, you have Yorubas, you have Hausa, and so on and so forth.
I get plenty for this business. I get plenty things for this yam business. I get a house, get motor, they train my children. Now this business where they get money inside, they train my children.
I started the business area 82. I stayed in the business almost 2 years. There is great difference because there I was having I was using roundhouse in my village, but now I have achieved many things. 3 cars. I built my house all. I'm living in now.
Unfortunately, most of the value chain of yam has remained untapped. The flour and starch gotten from yam can be processed and used in fuel ethanol production, paper and textile production, adhesive, drug, bread, cake, biscuit, and the list goes on and on. However, there is no single yam processing center, to my knowledge, in Benue State or in Nigeria as a whole. Hopefully, some smart businessmen or government will do a research in this direction and harness the full value chain that is in yam.
Yam is a very good product to buy. You buy it, I buy it and sell it to people. I do this market because I gain a lot into it.
Would you consider going into the yam business, either buying and reselling, or any of the value chain that is in the yam business? It could be the storage, it could be the processing, or any part. All right, it's something that someone can consider in 2023 because I believe that the value chain of the yam business, it's yet to be tapped at all in Nigeria. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and share this video, most importantly, so more people can get to see it. And I'll see you guys on the very next episode. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. See you on the next episode.